Hello everyone. In this video I'm gonna go over again the settings. I've been asked about the settings again by some of the students. So I thought I'll make this video so that you can go back again, revisit it when needed. Now let's say that you have all these videos been cut, put together, or been added. So what do you want to do is you want to make sure that you select all these videos, and most importantly go to all the way to proxy and cache down here, and go all the way to strip proxy, check that, and this will automatically check the 25% resolution, and then rebuild a proxy for all of them. Okay, it was unable to do that. Seems like I can do multiple ones at a time, or maybe I've already done it. Okay. So this is interesting. I can't build proxy for each one, for all of them together. Only for one strip at a time. This is a reason for us to probably render this video, put it in one, like consolidate all these in one video, and then open it up again in Blender, and then as one video, of course add it as one video after you render it, as we've done last time, and then you can just put it as a proxy if you think this is better for you. But in any case, this is a very important step here, and you can build your proxy. The reason why we're building proxy, it is for us to be able to review the video on a lower resolution. So over here, once you are done with building the proxy, you go to view, you see these on the side, pull it out, and you will, over here I always have it this way, but sometimes it is no display, something like that, but here display at 25. So make sure that this is the proxy render is proxy size 25%, all right? Or no proxy for render. I think that would be the default. So you need to change this default to proxy size 25% so that you can easily work with the videos. Now, if you have some of the videos with the proxies built and others that doesn't have proxy built, when you are running the video, what will happen is that you see when you run the speed, you have the speed here blinking. That might change, might a little bit fluctuate from one to another. Yeah. So for this purpose, you need to get them all to be built as a proxy. Now, let's go back to the output settings. The output settings are over here. So with the output properties, on the output, you want to make sure that your file format is video, it's in color, and encoding is MP4, and container is MP4. File format also FFmpeg video. Okay, and container is MP4. Video is medium quality or high quality or lossless, are all acceptable, up to you. I like it to be high to medium quality. Now I'm going to keep it medium quality for one reason. When I want to render it, I want to render it fast. Yeah. So if I'm trying to render this video, I want to render it fast. It will render faster. So if you're rendering the video just to share it with your teammates to get their approval, probably put it medium quality if your time is tight, and then you put it good quality later once you get their feedback and do some editing, or they edit on it. If they're gonna edit on it, you better put it high quality. Now, how about we agree to put it high quality at all times? It's all right. It's just a 1-minute video. AAC for the codec, for the audio codec, and this is it. So these are the settings. And over here, you just want to make sure that you go to selecting each strip at a time, go to proxy and cache, all the way down, check strip, proxy, and timeline. It will automatically be 25%, and you just need to rebuild the proxy, and over here it will take a little time to build the proxy depending on the size of the video. And this is it for the settings. I'll see you in the next video where we are going to learn about the editing video transitions. See you soon.